Hello, my name is Nilkan Bal and I am a data analysis intern at Start Tech Academy. In this video, I will be showing the task that I performed in Jupyter Notebook using Python. The task is to help John and STIT service to create a linear regression model in Python or R to predict the CTC salary of new hires from the data provided. So first of all, I am importing the libraries that are required for doing this task, like the pandas, numpy, cbon, matplotlib, pyplot for visualizing, and I am reading the data using pandas read csv. After that, I found that there are some columns those are not required, and serial number is also not required, so I am dropping them. After this, I am going to assign new index to our data frame using df.assign. Then I am checking for null values, and we found that there is no null values. So now we are going to check the data types of the features or the columns that are in the data frame. And we found this, we can see all the data are in categorical form, but numbers should be in integer form, so we have to convert it into the integer form. We can do it using this following columns of line by using float str.I replace as double column semicolon, and for I in df previous ctc. You can do it like this, and after that, after converting all those columns into those integer, we will now look at again the data frame data types. We can check down. Now they have all converted into float type. Now we will go to visualize the data type using in cbon on. So this is the EDA task. We can see that there are three types of colleges: tier 1, tier 2 and tier 3. In this, tier 1 has a maximum number of students, and about 680. And after that, we can see there are two different types of city: non-metro and metro. And after that, we can see the value counts. This is a manager, and the another one is executive. The executive is more in number. It's going about 1050, and this is the pair plot of the data frame columns. Checking for correlation. This is the correlation table. We can check correlation using df.core. Then this is the category df.select d types include object categorical head. You can see these are the categorical data type columns, that is college, role and city. We need to convert this categorical type into integer float because our machine learning algorithm only understand numbers, so we have to convert it into the numbers format. Now we are going to encode those categorical features into the new integer format. So here we are achieving that thing. Now we will concatenate this thing to our original data frame and drop the original columns using pd.concatenate. Now we are importing trend test split for our data frame to divide it into x train and y train, and x test and y test in a partition using 0.8. So 80% will be in the training data set and 20% will be in the test data set. Now importing the linear regression model from sklearn library. After that, model is trained on x train and y train, and then we are evaluating the model, and we find out that our model accuracy is 59%. Now we are going to predict it how our model is working on our test dataset. So here we found we are calling out the test dataset, and we found there are some extra columns. Those are not trained on our model, so we are going to drop those columns. Like this, these are the columns. Those are not the column which we have trained earlier for in our model, so we will drop those columns. Now we will check for the data types of the test dataset. So here all of the data types are in integer format. Now we will predict the on test dataset, and we find that the predicted CTC for the test dataset come out to be in this format. So finally we will save this CSV in the CSV format. Thank you.